Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of DXY. Yes, DXY is very important, and as we all know that in all USD pairs, DXY plays a very important role. Okay. So as yesterday we were kind of confused whether DXY, when it was trading here, whether it would go down or it would go up. So we were confused, but ultimately DXY broke the previous swing high and gave us the confirmation that yes, DXY is still very much bullish. So there is no doubt about the trend of DXY. So in case DXY comes down for correction also around 100.50, it has the next support level. So if DXY again bounces from the 100.50 level, again we can consider that okay, DXY is continuing its uptrend and there will be more and more pressure on the chart of GBP USD or Euro USD. Okay. So as a result, keep your one eye on DXY and look for any kind of trend reversal or trend continuations in the DXY. Okay, it's important. Now let's look at the chart of Euro Dollar. So today you can see that I have wrote a few things on the chart because Euro USD's chart is kind of complicated. Yesterday also I explained that unlike other chart, this chart is little bit complicated. There are certain things that you must understand very well. If you fail to understand at once, then you can watch the video again, or I'll request you to watch the video when you are free. Okay, when you are free and you are not doing anything else, so that you can concentrate and understand the explanation better. Okay. So the last traded price of Euro USD is 1.0796. This is the last traded price here. And as we all know that Euro USD has a support around 1.0760, 1.0765. So yesterday Euro USD tried to take support here, and ultimately we can say that somehow Euro USD managed to close above the support level. So if you have a buy position on Euro USD, then be on the buy position, no need to exit. Okay, because this support zone is playing really very well. In case Euro USD breaks also this support, okay, no need to exit immediately. Okay, your stop loss should be below 1.0730. See, I have mentioned it as support 2. So right now Euro USD is taking support around the blue line that I have drawn here. The red line is also the second support zone. So if in case Euro USD breaks the blue line 1.0760 level on Monday, do not take a sell position immediately because we have immediate support available at 1.0730. So this is just a support zone. If market breaks also the blue line, do not take a sell position immediately because you may get trapped. But in case if we see heavy selling pressure on Monday, if we see that Euro USD is extremely under pressure, DXY is flying, okay, in that case the support zone may not be able to hold the market. After all, no level is permanent in the market. Okay, so if Euro USD breaks the red line 1.0730 level, you can take a sell position. If the selling pressure is good enough, if we see that market is going down, forming big fat red candles, we get the confirmation that selling is very high and we can take a sell position below the red line. Okay, and there will be a heavy selling. I think there will be a heavy selling if market breaks the red line. Okay, because the next support zone is quite far away. So as of now, let's focus on these only. Okay, so just keep in mind that, my dear friends, this support zone is very important, and do not take a sell position if market breaks also the blue line. If you're a scalper, then that's a different chapter. If you have a considerable experience in the market, if you have been trading for a long time, then you can follow your old strategy. whatever I'm saying, this is for the new traders and beginners, those who are new to the market. Okay, so if market breaks the red line with good amount of volume, we can take a sell position as well. Okay, so this is all about the support zones if market comes down. Okay, now let's talk about the resistance zone in the market. The problem with the resistance zone, which is around 1.0935 to 1.0960, is that, see, market has already tested the resistance zone too many times. Okay, and as we all know that if we find market testing a level too many times, अगर किसी market किसी भी level को बहुत बार test करता है, the level loses its strength. So what we generally see is that if we find market testing a level too many times, market at one time market breaks the resistance and market starts going up. So we may see a similar kind of a scenario here. Okay, but you can see that I have mentioned it as a resistance zone 1.0935 to 1.0960. Why? Because we also have the red line, the 200 moving average also. So we have got double resistance zone in the market, double resistances, which makes it a resistance zone in the market. So as a result, do not take a buy position immediately if we find market breaks the level. Okay, just observe the market first. Okay, simply observe the market first when market will hit the level. If you see that, just like the previous time, if you see that market is unable to cross the level, if you see price rejection from above, then you get the confirmation that yes, the resistance zone is still valid. Okay, and you can take a sell position. Why I said this? Because see, though market has been testing the level too many times, but we cannot deny that we have got two resistances here. So observe the market first. If you see that market is facing selling pressure around the resistance zone, you can take a sell position. And if you see the market is very bullish, market is not in the mood of surrendering, then what you can do is, okay, you can take a buy position above 1.0960. You can take a buy position above this level, and this will be your target. Okay, how we have derived this level, let me tell you. Okay, probably you have understood about the support levels. It was easy. The resistance zone, because market has been trying to cross the level and unable to cross the level, so as a result we are considering this as a static resistance in the market. Then we have the 200 moving average. That's why this is a resistance zone. Okay, so if you do not have these lines, try to draw these lines. It will be easier for you to analyze the market. And we have derived the, okay, we have derived the target from the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, if you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I'm a big fan of Fibonacci retracement level. So if market breaks this level, this will be your target. That's it. And we have derived this level target from the Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so whatever you do, follow proper risk management, because no level is permanent in the market, and as we all know, 100% accuracy is not possible. So follow proper risk management, protect your hard-earned money, save your hard-earned capital. Okay, bye bye, take care.